Hello and welcome to this new and exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use Shopify navigation tools where you are able to create mega menus, multi-level menus, also called drop-down menu. What we mean by that is, if you go to this website, for instance, this is for KRA, you notice at the top here we have home, individual, business, investors, and agents. If you come to the individual menu, you notice it opens the PIN registration, filing tax, calculate tax, and all this. And anytime you put the cursor on any, for instance, if I put the cursor on filing and paying, you notice on this side we have another sub menu that has file and pay, individual income tax, and all this. If I put the cursor on calculate tax, you notice on this other side, we also get the same details. Under calculate task, we get a sub menu, and that is the same case with all these others. We are going to learn how to do this on Shopify. So to do that, you will log into your Shopify store. So here I'm on my Shopify store. You simply click on online store, and you can change the theme to a theme that can support multi-level menu. You notice currently I'm using a theme called the Refresh, which is available on Shopify for free. And in this YouTube channel, we have other tutorials on how to change the theme, but by default, your theme will be Dawn theme. So now how do you create these mega menus, sub menus, also called multi-level menus, just like we have seen here? So to do that, you simply come to online store, and then down here, you notice we have navigation. You click on that. Right on top here, on the right hand side, you click on add menu. So now to add the menu here, let us assume we are selling clothing items that can be grouped into men wear, women wear, and children's wear. So we can have those three to illustrate this. So the main menu here, we are going to put it as men. So we'll type men here and just put a sample link here, but here you'll add the real link to your items. Then you'll click on add, and then you'll click here, add menu. So we go to women. So we click on add menu. So maybe call this one women. And then again, you add the link to the part where you have these details there. Then you click on add. So that link will be for the items that are for women. Let's go to the other one, maybe for children. Let's call it children. And then here you put the link, then you click on add. So what we have done by doing these three menus, we have just created a sample like these ones at the top here, individual, business, and investors. So we now want to come down and create these lower ones such that once you click on each, it drops down with a few things. For instance, we want to make sure that once we click on men, we have a few things to do with men wear. So what we are going to do is, what can we be having under men? So maybe we have the jackets, we have trousers, we have shirts, we have shoes. We can create all that under men. So let's just add a few. So add menu again. So under men, so we say, let's say boots. And then we put the link where the link to those boots are. And then you click on add. And then you add another one for men. We want to add shirts. And then we add the link here. And then we click on add. So now we are assuming that we want these boots and shirts to be under men. So to do that, you simply come, hold this one, and then drag it to the top and drop it under men. So you notice now under men, we have boots. So you can also come again and hold the shirts here, drag and drop. So once you have created the first one, you can keep on adding menu item to men just by clicking at the top here, add menu item to men. So we have boots, we have shirts, we want to add trousers. So simply click add menu item, type trouser, and then add the link there, click on add. So you now notice under men, if we hide men, you notice men has now the drop down arrow. If we click on that, you notice it opens the trousers and all that. So we can do the rest for women. So for women, we can add the first menu. So we write here, maybe we want the first one for women. We want shoes. and then we paste the link to our shoes. Then we click on add item. So we want these shoes to be under women submenu, to be under women mega menu. So we'll drag again and then drop it under women. So notice under women, we now have shoes. So we can add other items under women by just clicking on add menu to women. So we add that. So tops, we want to add tops there, add the link there, and then click on add. So you now notice under women, we now have shoes, we have tops, we can have blouses, we can have all that. We can do the same for children. So for children, let's add just toys. So to add something else, let's say for instance, here for boots, we have work boots, we have camping boots. So we can still click on add menu so that we under boots, we add which type of boots. So here we want to write camping boots. Then you click on add. You add the link here. Then you click on add. So now notice we have camping boots here. But because we want them to be under boots and not a separate one, you drag again and you drop them under boots that way. So notice we have men, and then boots, we have the type of boots. So here, add menu to boots. We can now add another menu under boots. So we have camping boots. We have already added that. Let's say safety boots. And then we add the link there again. And then we click on add. So now if I click back, you will notice under my store here, the same original menu is still the same here. This is because I have not linked the menu we have just created to my page here. So to do that, you'll come to the header here, click on header, and then for the main menu here, you click on change, and then you click on change menu, and then you decide what are you going to link it to. So you decide you're going to link it to the main menu, to the footer menu, or to the men, or to the men, the one we created here. So I'm going to link it to the men, this one, the one we created. And then I click on select. So now if I scroll up here, you will notice we have men, we have women, and then we have children. So if I come under men, you notice we have boots, we have shirts, we have trousers. Under boots here, you have an arrow here. You notice we have camping boots and we have safety boots. If we come to women here, you notice we have shoes and we have tops. So basically, you notice here we have this menu, men, boots. Under boots, we have shirts and we have trousers. So you can decide how to view that menu. Desktop menu type, is it drop down, is it mega menu, or is it a drawer? So if we click on mega menu there and then come back here, you notice now we click on mega menu and it opens everything, boots, shirts, and trouser. That is the mega menu here. If we click on drawer and then we come back again, you notice now it's hidden, but once we come here, the drawer opens. You notice now we have men, women, children. So if I come under men and I click that arrow, you notice now it opens boots, shirts, and trousers. Under boots, if I click on boots again, you notice it opens what we added, camping boots and safety boots. And so that is simply how you add your menu or mega menu to your Shopify store. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.